We're out here with 80-foot 72 LEDs. It's two 40-foot sections, and we could change the lights and run through many different types of designs. It could just go randomly any way you want your light. And what we're going to do is show you what the product is about. We have a music mode. So if we want to turn the music on and dance and say things, it lights up in all different types of colors. So let's show you the product. CDN, 20 watt, RGBW, 72 LED bulbs, 80-foot stringer, IP65 rated. Can be hung outside. It's with Alexa that you can say turn on, turn off, change mode. 111 modes. What we're going to do is unbox, set up, show you what the product is about. Let's open up the box. It has a dimmer of 1 through 100%. They are nicely packaged. Pulling out one and the other, we have two boxes. As we open up the first box, they are nicely sealed and protected. The bulbs. The second box as well. Bulbs, instructions, the controller, remote control, tie wraps, and an additional socket. Please be careful when unwrapping, as they are tie wrapped, Velcro. These are the bulbs made of plastic LED design. Bring a couple of bulbs up close so you can see the design, the plastic, the bulbs. They do not come off. They are IP rated with areas to hook up. Supply your optional 2 AAA batteries to the remote control. These are the controls on the remote. We have an on and off, music, mode up and down, dim up and down, automatic, RGB and W, and the kelvins. The kit comes in two 40-footers. As we hook up one end, we're able to push in, lock down, IP rated. Take the other end, hook up, and continue with another package or 2, 3, or 4. We are all set up with two optional AAAs to the remote control and the stringers here. We have the end cap placed in. And when we first turn on our unit, it goes in the on, and you're on the first mode. We're going to go outside and hang the unit up and show you what it looks like in the evening hours. We do not have Alexa or Google Assist to show you voice commands. But we'll go through some of the settings right here. We have mode. As we hit the mode, it changes to one or more of the 111 different modes. We have an automatic that will cycle through. We could dim down the lights, and we can increase the lights. We have the RGB, and if we want to change over to warm or cool. And then we hit the auto, and it'll run through its automatic settings. So let's go outside and take one of the 40-foot and the other of the 40-foot and place it up on an umbrella, a gazebo, and so forth. 110 volt, you plug into your AC. One of the stringers, unwrap, and carefully lay out. Make your design the way you like and wrap it around your umbrella. Use the tie wraps. Continue on with the second 40-foot. with the tie wraps for permanent mounting, or place the second 40-foot where you want and in the front hung up by the patio. Open up the Smart Life application, add the device, turn on the unit, and we're going to hold down the on and off button if the unit does not pair. And here we have is C6607, our lights. Enter the Wi-Fi and password. As the unit sets up, the red blinking lights, as you see, will pair. We have a successful connection. Done. We have information provided. We have the lights on white. Choose a color, dim down, and so forth. And we'll come back in the evening hours and show you what this is all about. The remote control, smartphone, manual, and Alexa. 4 different ways of showing the lights. So let's come back and show you what it looks like. Low lights hit, turn on, starts off in red. With the remote control, we're just going to quickly go into the dim. You can see it dim down and dim up. You have to hit it in increments. This is the RGB, then the warm and the cool. 111 modes in automatic. As it goes through in the automatic, it takes a number of seconds to go through each one. It's all around the umbrella and behind me and towards the lemon tree over here. What we're going to do now is go into the modes. And each one has a different name. This is like a breathing. And we'll just continue on and just go through each one through them. They are pretty bright, 20 watts per. It's a 110 volt system. As the lights chasing and running from the start. As you go along, you see the green's nice and bright. Changes the colors. They're excellent for the 4th of July, Halloween, Christmas, New Year's. All different occasions for parties, weddings, affairs. Now we did the remote control. We have the smartphone that we open up the application. And this is Halloween. This is Thanksgiving. This is Easter. As you can see here on the phone and the app, V-Day, Diwali, and so forth. All these different types of features. We have here is a colite, cycle time, and we could custom. We have a scene, music, and other. We could turn off the light strip and turn on the light strip. We could control it via the handheld control. We have a life, read mode, work mode, relaxation mode, cool summertime, cool nighttime. We have a neon world, and much, much more dynamic. We have a scenery, palm, nightfall. We have a color of Corletto, orange, cheese and butter, and deep black. We can make it white. We could pick our own colors, and we could dim it down. There are many other things you can do with your light set. Apricot pink. So I hope you enjoy your light sets. Choose the ones that fit your needs, your set, and it goes in 111 designs. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for, and thank you for viewing.